Hello everyone. Yeah, in the previous class, we have seen a few details about DBT. So, in the DBT, we have seen where the DBT comes into picture. Okay, so this part, CSV file from the local to Snowflake Stage. So, this part, let us perform this part now. By running the put command, we'll try to upload the CSV file into Snowflake Stage. For that, first let us create Snowflake internal stage. Then we'll try to download the CSV files from the web. Then we'll try to run the put command. But in order to run the put command, we need to have SnowSQL. SnowSQL. Okay, so we cannot run put command in the Snowflake web UI. So let's see this part in action. Let's switch to Snowflake. Right, so this is my account because I registered with the Snowflake. This is my username, so I'm going to use this username, and my account is eb12153. I'm going to log into this, and my username is this. Give the password which you created already. Okay, you've logged into Snowflake web UI. Here, let's create one particular stage. If you go to Snowflake Learning DB, let's create one particular schema here. Maybe I'm going to use role account admin, then use database Snowflake Learning Database. Now let us create a schema within Snowflake Learning DB. Let's give the schema name learning. Okay, let's run these statements. Yes, schema is created. If you refresh it, yes, learning schema is created. Now I'm going to create stage. Stage name my CSV stage. I'm just writing with this. Okay. Okay. Create stage. Maybe create or replace stage my CSV stage. Okay. So I just created the stage. This is named internal stage, and I did not attach any file format. That's okay. So during runtime, whenever I try to load the data into my stage, then at the time I can give the options like file format and all these things, skip header, all these things. I will give all those options when I run my put command. Okay. Now this one, since stage is created, if I list at the rate my stage name. See, the stage is there, but there are no files. As you know, the Snowflake stage nothing but it is kind of place where you can accommodate your files temporarily. Okay, so this stage, I'm going to use this stage. To this stage, I will be uploading my files from the local. Okay, so I have downloaded the files, Airbnb files from kaggle.com. I just registered with Kaggle, and from this I try to search for hosts, listings, and reviews. These three files from the Kaggle. So they are there in my local already. If you want, I can share the files with you. So now I am going to upload those files into my stage. Okay, so how to upload my files into stage? I can make use of put command, but put command, we cannot run the put command within the web UI. Snowflake web UI, we cannot run. So what we can do, in order to run put command, we need to make sure SnowSQL is installed in our local. Okay, just go to Google, search for SnowSQL installation or download. Just click on installing SnowSQL. So I am providing the link in the description. You can download your SnowSQL from that link. So when you open that link here, SnowSQL for Windows, or you can come down here, all versions. Like this is for Linux. Just click on Windows. So here you just install the file, the appropriate file based on your operating system, that the architecture like 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. Okay, so you can install any one of these. Like you can install this one, SnowSQL 1.4.3, Windows x86 64 MSI. Okay, so these are installers, right? So yeah, once you install, I already installed in my system. That's why I'm not installing this one. I'll be providing this link in the description. You can go to this link and come down. You can choose Windows and you can download anything which is suitable for you. Okay, so there are different versions. Maybe you can download the latest version. Okay, so that's how you can go. Then once you installed in your once you installed the SnowSQL in the C drive, you will be able to see the SnowSQL. We go to users here. SnowSQL is there, right? Just open it. Then you can see the config file. Just open it in the Notepad++. Okay, so this is how you'll have the connection. So by default, you will have like this. Okay, so in order to create your own connection, what you need to do here is you just take all these things. Take all these things. Actually, these are all not required. Maybe you can take all these things, create a new connection. Maybe you can give here any connection in connection underscore learning. Okay, so what is your account name? You need to give your account name. Go to your Snowflake, go to your account. Here, view account details. This is your account. Copy this. Here, give the account name. What is the username? The username is this. Copy that. Then you can give the password. So this is not my password. I'll be giving this password a little later. Okay, you give your own password here, and the DB name, which database. That means you want to create the connection to connect to which database. Maybe Snowflake Learning DB only. You can give that DB name, and the schema here. Which schema? This is the one. Sorry, it is not copied. Right? The warehouse is compute underscore WH, same warehouse I'm going to use. So yeah, these are the connections. I mean, this is the connection underscore learning. Now, just save this file, then go to your PowerShell or command prompt also. Anything is fine. Right here, just type SnowSQL -c, and what is the connection name that we gave? Give that connection name here. Okay, just hit enter. So since I did not give the password here, so it might not get connected. Okay, so it says like this is the error. I am going to give the password over here. Okay, I give the password. Again, I'm trying the same command, SnowSQL -c connection learning, connection underscore learning. Just hit enter. Yes, so it is connected. So this is my database under this is my schema. So in this schema, I have the stage named internal stage. My internal stage name is this is the one. I'm just running the same command in the CLI. So it will give you list of files within this stage. Since there are no files uploaded to this, it is giving 0 records produced. Okay, I am going to run one put command here. Put file, then I am going to upload a file from the local. So in my local, I have source files which I downloaded from the Kaggle. From here, you can also, if you want, you can download it from here. You can search here, posts, listings, and reviews. I have downloaded. So host, listings, reviews. I am going to upload this particular file. Right. So this is the path. So this is the path, and the file name is hosts.csv. Hosts.csv, and what is your stage name? The stage name is my CSV underscore stage. My underscore CSV underscore stage. Okay, now I'm running this. Yes, one file is uploaded. right? In the same way, I want to upload other two files also, the same stage, but only the file name is different. My file name is listings. So this is the file name listings. Yes, it is also uploaded. Now another file I have reviews. So this is little bigger file. It might take a little more time, like 10 to 20 seconds like that. Let's wait. Okay. Now if you can list out all the files in your stage, my CSV stage, you can see the three files which we have uploaded just now. Okay, so if you can see, for every file whatever you upload into your Snowflake, it will be compressed. The source is reviews.csv, but when it comes to target, I mean, whenever you upload the same file into your target nothing but Snowflake, that is actually compressed. See, source size is this much, and it became almost half here. So if you see even here also, see, this is my host file, source file, and the target, that means when you upload your source file into your Snowflake stage, it is zipped, that means it is compressed, GZ. And the source size is like 821,733 bytes. When it comes to target, it is just 251,056 bytes. Okay, so that's how it is uploaded. Okay, so now the stage is created, in that we have uploaded the files. Okay, then what we are going to do is, using copy into command, we are going to load the data into the tables. Okay, after that we just define the dbt model, then run the model so that we can either create view or table. Okay, thank you, we'll connect in the next class.